back to the Digital Thinker YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a few install parameters and organization options that were included in the 12.2.1 release but not discussed in our other videos. If you are new here, be sure to check out the playlist on version 12.2.1. The new FAVICON install parameter allows for populating an image to be displayed as the browser tab icon. I have added the Digital Thinker logo, so if you look at the browser tab, the default EAM logo has been replaced with the Digital Thinker logo. Not only does this allow for incorporating your company's branding, but it could also be used to help users differentiate between a production and training environment by defining different icons. RECH docs is another new install parameter. If set to on, checklist item documents will be displayed on the Documents tab. Let's take a look at a work order. As you can see, a checklist items section has been added to the Documents tab. This is a great addition, as sometimes those checklist item attachments are extremely valuable, yet overlooked if you don't know to look for them. If you decide to turn on this functionality, I encourage you to review the RELT docs install parameter. If set to on, the document preview sidebar displays documents associated with the child entities of the selected record. Next, let's talk about the CLS docs install parameter. A Documents tab has been added to the Classes screen. This is useful as it allows documents to be associated with, for example, an equipment class instead of associating the same document to multiple assets. The functionality is similar if you're using documents in equipment categories today. The CLS docs install parameter controls if class-related documents are displayed on the Documents tab and the Documents List tab. I have this set to both. So if we look at an asset associated with the automotive class, the document will be listed on the Documents tab and the Documents List tab. If you notice any performance issues, Hexagon recommends setting the value to list or turning the functionality off. Let's review a couple of new organization options. The first is EQWITHD. The value of this organization option determines if associated PM schedules and maintenance patterns will be deactivated when the equipment status is changed to withdrawn. I have it set to OND, so if I withdraw an asset with active PM schedules or maintenance patterns, the system will deactivate the record and delete any work orders that were bypassed or are awaiting release. Let me go ahead and withdraw an asset. You'll see I receive a notification that 1 PM has been deactivated. This has been a pain point for many users, so I am excited to see that a solution is now available. And finally, I want to mention WO Timer. I referenced this in the 12.2.1 Digital Work Enhancements video, but it applies to the desktop application as well. This organization option controls how the system behaves if the activity timer is still running when completing a work order. As always, please test changes to install parameters and organization options in a non-production environment first. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, and until next time, have a great day.